recording.
Okay, well, I switched out the gloves that we had, which I don't know where they went, for these. They're Rachel's, and
Why are you documenting every...
Shut up! It's gonna be my last documentation ever, as well as my first, but,
Right before you die.
yeah, I always wanted to pair these gloves, and the point is that she has them, and they have little pink balls on them, but I don't care, because they're cool, and I want to use them, but she doesn't want me to burn them, so I'm gonna have to tuck them in.
I like the tucking sound effect, by the way.
Where'd you get the hose?
They're tucked in. Where did they...
You got one still kind of hanging out.
What?
Your, left arm.
Clean your mess.
Where are the matches?
Huh?
Where are the matches?
They might have been
Don't
taken
need
inside.
matches.
Oh, you got one of those? Okay.
I know,
yeah.
I'm just waiting
I guess
for it
Chris
to
is coming
go.
with me to the edge of the world and back.
Godspeed.
Yeah, well,
God bless.
And here we
Happy
all
New
go.
Year.
This is
Oh gosh, Chris.
entertaining. It's got a layer of bottle rockets, a layer of, a lot of bottle rockets, a layer of round bloomed flowers, laced with a layer of mini dynamite. Actually, is what they're called.
Ow, I think.
I'm gonna really come sit behind the
The
table.
plan is to
go light it so we
light
can be
it,
done. So
run
Mother
far
will stop
away.
being angry.
His mom will get mad at us, and the angry drunk guy will get mad at us, who is next door.
Or we can.
And amongst lots of controversy about the statement he yelled at us, it was either something along the lines of "Go celebrate next GD June" or "Go celebrate Go kill a Jew." Yes. So we're just gonna call this the Jew monger because that's him. I don't know what he said,
Come on.
but we're gonna go die now.
Go.
I'm seriously staying behind this.
I can't really see where they are. It's hard to see on this camera.
Toward the gate on the fence. Can you see the gate?
Yeah, I see them. I see the light.
This is such a great little...
Huh.
I saw a preview for a movie that's gonna have that really unfortunate looking guy in it.
Yeah, I saw that.
Sarah? Michael Sarah?
Yeah.
Did you see
You can leave it?
the first song?
Yeah. Too late, you give love a bad name.
That's gonna be the song that they die to.
Is it lit?
behind the table.
Look at that! We're gonna get Morning Glory to light it because it's not working. Are you behind the trash can?
Yes.
That's funny, because here's the smart one, because there's definitely a gap under the table.
Let's see if we can get to the door quickly.
I might watch through the door. Actually.
And one person is leaving.
I hid behind
Not
that
leaving.
tree last year.
Completely.
Or we can hide
Going
behind
inside.
The shed.
Yeah, I don't
I
want to
think we'll
die
go hide
tonight.
behind the tree.
I'm gonna
Trees
keep.
catch on fire. Just bear in mind.
Is over here by the trash can.
Yeah. But it's farther away. It's like the farthest point away. So, and you can.
Sorry for the technical delay. We will be back with you shortly, gentlemen.
Is her mouth?
Shall I kill the?
No, I was just talking like that.
Shall I kill the tape?
It's like purple.
Maybe I'm purple. I can't feel them. I can't tell you if they're cold or not. Come on, they don't feel cold. Okay, we're gonna die now.
Okay, I'm gonna hide behind the table so I have quick escape to the door.
And Anna went inside, where
Yeah.
she's protected by about half an inch thick plate of glass, which I don't know if it'll do her any good, but
Not enough to protect you, really. Might as well just stand out here. You can die with me. Ruby's till the end.
yep. You wanna light?
Okay, here we go.
Okay, thanks, bye.
I'm terrified.
I am too.
This may be the last thing we ever see.
God, this is stupid. Really? That's it?
Shut up. Yeah, a lot of those didn't light.
Okay, I gotta go see what's left over. You
Oh, yeah.
should wait
Come
a
with
little
us.
longer.
Come.
I thought he was gonna hit me in the face with that sparkler.
Okay, we're going. I apologize for the bounce. Whee! Is it still burning?
nothing there, but it's smoky.
Where's the other?
What other?
Here, put the light on it.
Let me see what-
Shine the light on us over here.
That's the remains.
We still need to light that.
There's like 2/3 of what was originally there. Where's the other third? Like, oh, have a bottle.
It's not gonna total. It melted. It didn't get totally decimated.
Yeah, I'm gonna say we don't have it anymore.
It's not possible.
It's quite possible. Well, then where is it?
I don't know.
Show me your evidence, sir. Maybe it went the same direction as the rest of it. That'd be terrifying. Blue hole in physics.
There it is.
Yeah, there it is.
Oh, what?
Exactly what happened.
Hey guys, we blew a hole in physics there for a second. Oh, it's all shriveled at the top.
Or was this one pointing that way?
No, it was
that
Sprite.
one? Which one was
Sprite
that
was
pointing?
this way.
Huh?
Sprite was this way.
It was?
I think.
Okay, so yeah, we definitely just inverted physics for a second there.
It's so kind of warm.
I'm sure it is.
I mean, it feels nice. There's nothing left in it really. Like it looks pretty
Just
clear.
dust.
Ooh.
So, are we not gonna finish that off?
No. Help me like grab some of this.
Lol.
I'm just sitting out here.
Yeah, we can do better.
Yeah, we can.
More next time on
This
Almost
didn't even
Dying
matter.
and
We should
stuff.
actually design one for like about